Hello, my name is Nathan Williams. Today I'll be discussing backward design, a model with purpose. Backward design, as it's currently known, was introduced in 1998 by Grant Wiggins and Jay McTighe in their book, Understanding by Design. Their iteration of the model is abbreviated as UBD. They developed the model in response to more traditional instructional design that treated curriculum as predetermined and focused on breadth, not depth of knowledge. BD, by contrast, focuses on assessment and goal setting so that enduring understandings can be promoted over superficial knowledge. A key advantage of BD is its simplicity, having only three main steps: identify desired results, determine acceptable evidence, and plan learning experiences and instruction. In step one, instructors identify desired results. These results are also often called enduring understandings or transfer goals. These are what the instructor wants the student to retain years after the end of the course and be able to apply elsewhere in their lives. Course content is divided into three levels: that which is worth knowing, essential knowledge for course mastery, and enduring understandings. In step two, instructors determine acceptable evidence. This step focuses on assessment. The type of assessment and its properties will depend on what category of desired result, as defined in step one, is being assessed. Traditional multiple choice assessments will be more appropriate for more superficial knowledge, but more involved assessments, such as portfolios or performance tasks, will be necessary to assess deeper learning. In step three, instructors plan learning experiences and instruction. This comes first in traditional instructional design, but in BD can only occur at the end, so that instructional time is only filled with lessons and activities that support students achieving the desired results of step one. Wiggins and McTighe developed the Where-To model to guide instructors through step three. The mnemonic device can help instructors remember to incorporate such components as student motivation factors, differentiation, gradual release, and multiple opportunities for mastery into their instruction. Here is a simplified example, using BD to design a unit for high school physics. The identified result is that students will be able to experimentally determine and differentiate between velocity and acceleration. Assessments are determined in the form of a traditional summative assessment and lab activities, and then the appropriate lessons and assignments are identified and developed. I have identified a possible project-based learning objective. Indeed, PBL is a BD-based method of instruction. BD has much research documenting its success. Here is a study performed at Gwinnett Technical College in which student performance in Biology 1 for non-majors was taught with a BD model and compared to a previous semester that did not use BD. The BD implementation produced a marked increase in the passing rate and a decrease in withdrawals, especially among minority student groups, helping to close the achievement gap at GTC. Overall, while there was not a significant increase in the percentage of A and B grades, the BD model was quite successful at helping more students find success in Biology 1. As a course for non-majors, for some students, this was the last science course they would ever take. BD was also implemented in a Thai high school in an English as a foreign language course for 10th graders. A citizenship theme was incorporated to support the students' level of social responsibility, a context that was deemed helpful for a course that would enable these Thai students to participate in international communication. Here is a diagram showing how the instructors implemented the three steps of BD. English reading comprehension and social responsibility were selected as the desired results, and a performance task was utilized as the primary assessment, but other forms of student learning evidence were selected as well. Students did exhibit an increase in English reading comprehension with a Cohen D metric of 1.31, indicating a large effect size. Students also showed improvement in their social responsibility proficiency with a Cohen D metric of 0.76 or a medium effect size. Students also reported an over 88% positive impression of being taught with the BD model while recognizing a few obstacles related to learning with BD. BD has been used by teachers to deepen enduring understandings for students for over 20 years. It will increase in relevancy as depth, not breadth, of knowledge becomes a critical asset for digital native students who have constant internet access. Transferring skills from one course to other aspects of life is a critical attribute for those participating in the knowledge-based economy. It's also reminiscent of connectivism, which places the ability to connect different nodes or information sources at the center of the learning process in the digital age.